Hello everyone, so today I'm going to edit some photos from the previous shoot with the X-T2 photos. This one was shot by the 16mm lens, so let's get started. This is the straight out of the camera photo with the classic chrome in X-T2. If you search Sing X-T2 setting, you will find my setting video also. So let's get started to choose the filter that match this style. And I can say that I can try the U3 for this one. It creates a nice like blue undertone in the shirt, and then increase a little bit of contrast. So I don't need to do much, just slightly changing the variance. So you can do it, stay on this full length. But what I can do is I can do a 4:5 crop for Instagram purpose. So I can make it more like this so that it has a little bit of the headroom. And the next one I'm gonna do is copy and then paste this one. So let me see, I can do a paste. As you can see that once the classic chrome matching with the U3, it has a nicer contrast on the photo. And let me reduce the, so that's good. And I increase the sharpness a little bit more. So I'm gonna save a full version first, and then I'm gonna do a crop 4:5 to have a slightly different variance. So like this. So save it 4:5, and then let me copy this and then paste it to here. Slightly reduce the exposure, increase the contrast. The tone is already like a little bit warm by default already, because I use the fluorescent one in the white balance setting. So if you search my white balance setting is already a little bit toward the warm side already. So let me do a crop 4:5 to have a tighter crop on here. Okay, so that's good. And then next one, so let's do increase the contrast and do the 4:5 crop directly like this. Okay, so and then this one, so let me get more headroom on top. This one get more headroom. And I'm going to reduce the exposure a little bit more. Slightly update the tone a little bit. Okay, so next one. So this one slightly rotate a little bit. Okay, so save it. And this one is the 16mm F1.4 lens. So let me see. I'm gonna increase the exposure a little bit, but increase the contrast. Let's see if this one, so I might use E5 for this one. So I'm gonna crop on the tree also, so to make it tighter. Okay, like this, and then I'm gonna copy the one that I have and then paste it here. It's too bright, so let's reduce the amount of light coming in here. So we can do different things in here. So let's see what else. This one, I think I still prefer the tone in the E5 for this, but reduce the exposure a little bit more. So just adjust the light here. Okay, so slightly more toward the center, so I'm gonna crop down a little bit more. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so slightly increase more sharpness. And these are the bugs in the park that was like the bugs flying, and then the camera just blur out from the 1.2 lens, 50-60mm 1.2 lens. So it creates a nice like dreamy effect on that. So this is straight out of the camera for the bugs in the parks. So okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more editing video coming up. Bye.